welcome back to a new video. I am so sorry about the noise because that is from the radiator. I am so sick and tired of this noise, but anyway, let's get have some fun and just ignore all those noises in the background, and let's go into this video. And this is all about Swarovski. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy you're here. All you're gonna find on my YouTube channel is about makeup, fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. My name is Ritzi. I am welcome you into my channel. And yes, I am so obsessed with Swarovski, as you all can tell on my outfit. But yes, guys, Swarovski is just one of my favorite. I am so obsessed with Swarovski. Everything for me is Swarovski. I got some cute pieces. They had like 50 to 70% off on the website, and I couldn't let it go. So I picked up some nice pieces and I wanted to share that with you guys. If you're interested, please keep on watching. Let's go into the unboxing. I am so happy that I can do this with you guys. And yes, shall we? So this is the box, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited to open this box. I think I'm just gonna do it right here. And hold on. Okay, let's go into the unboxing. Oh, I am so excited to open this for you guys. Alright, so I just opened the box and this is what you're gonna see. This is just an envelope, and let me just put this here. So this is just a Swarovski, and this is just a card that comes with it. It just says Swarovski, and this is the card, and you can just write down anything on it, as long as you just on your way to check out, you're gonna see like is it a gift or a message that you wanted to say on the card. So I had a note on it that I wanted to put on this card, and this is how it comes, but I'm just gonna put it in. It's a here, love yourself, you're amazing, love, Ritzi Arnicia. This is just note for myself, yes. And I'll just want to remind myself to just love myself. And I know there are so many things that I need to be grateful for. So this is a little note that reminds me on all those things. So I have that. This is just a card with all the instruction and stuff, and this is the receipt. And yes, so shall we, guys? Ooh, I am so excited. I'm just gonna put this box down here. So this is the box. No matter what, if I buy something out of the website, I always check the gift box, and also the message box. I just click it in. That's a great idea. Like whenever I receive a package from them. Yes, this is a should I say a box? This is a gift box that it came with. I always check on the gift box because they ask if it's a gift or not. I always check on it no matter what. If I buy it for myself, I always check on it, because it's so nice to do, and whenever you receive it, it's like you receive a present. But yeah, so let's open it. Ooh. So that's that. Oh, should I? Oh, okay, I got it. So this is it, you guys. And I have 3 items. Let me just put it on this side. 1, 2, 3 items. Let's go into, okay, let's go into this one. This is the bracelet. It comes with the code and the name on it. So I will have everything in my description box. So if you're interested in twinning with me, you can just go into the website and get those items. Oops, let me just take it, just open it. Yeah, okay, got it. And this is it, you guys. I hope you can see it. It comes with this little thing, how to take care of it. Also this tag. I hope you can see it. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I will zoom this in, and so you guys can see the items like close up. But I'm just gonna take it out here. Okay, so here you have a little magnet thing on how to put it together, like so. And then you can just clip it like this. And here it's a lock, and this is a pendant with 4 hearts. Hope you can see that. And I love green, so I just pick up this color because on the website the lock color is green, and I think they had also love and blessed, but I thought log, it's so nice to have, so that's why I got this one. Let me just put it on. So this is what it looks like, you guys. Hope you can see it. Say here lock, and on this side they have the swan, the Swarovski sign, and this is the color. And the other one, you have like 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts. Hope you can see that. And yes, this is one of the items that I pick. Let's go to the second one. This one is the earring. It just came out of the plastic. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna take it out. But I will have like the closer look on it, so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is the earrings. This is what it looks like. It's a really nice and light earring, and it has like diamonds on it. Hope you can see that, like so. And yes, this is rose gold. This is what it looks like. It's really nice. I like it, and it just matched this lock bracelet, so I can just pair it with this here. This one is also a bracelet, and I'll just have all the names and everything in the description box. If you're interested, just check the website. And it was so good to have like 50% off, so you save a little bit money there. And yeah, so this is another bracelet. This is the box. And this is so beautiful. I love everything about the sea, like the shelf and all those beautiful things, and this just reminds me about the sea. It also comes with the name, it's there. This is what it looks like. Hope you can see it. I will insert pictures or short videos where I zoom all those items. And this is so cool. So this little thing here, this round thing, it has the swan on it and the Swarovski sign, and this is what it looks like here. Let me just put it on so you guys have an idea. It's just like so. So this is what it looks like. Hope you can see that. And this is the adjustment if you wanted to make it bigger or smaller. So yes guys, oh my god, I am so happy with those pieces that I got. I still have to wait on the second box because yes, I had a lot of pieces that I choose from, but the other one is still on its way, so I am excited to share that as well with you guys. But for now, this is all the 3 items that I got. I am so happy with it. Yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you all so much for watching this video. If you love Swarovski, please share it to your family and friends so they can see what I pick, so we can be twinning on those bracelets and earrings. So let me know on the comment down below if you love Swarovski. I would love to hear from you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. So guys, I'm just gonna zoom in to show you guys the pieces. So this is the earring, and as you can see the close-up, it's really nice and so light. And this is what it looks like. Hope you can see it. It's really shiny, and it's rose gold, and it's not so long. That's what I love about this earring. And the next one is this bracelet right here. So that's that. I'm just gonna show you guys on the focus. This is the thing where you adjust it, and as you look closer, I think you're gonna see the swan. Hope you can see it. You see the, oops, focus. You see the Swarovski sign on it, and this is what it looks like. It's really shiny. This is what I love about Swarovski. And the other one is this bracelet. It's a lock. You have the 4 hearts, the green stone, and this is where you close it, and it has a magnet thing on it, and it's so easy to put together. Let me just show you guys how easy it is, just like that, you see. And it also has the sign on it, the Swarovski sign, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, do you see the sign, Swarovski? So this is what it looks like. And yes, I'm so happy with those items that I picked. I cannot wait to share all my collection. But yeah, this is it, guys.